Hey guys, quick update here. You guys remember when I was off work for 42 days for COVID? I did the antifreeze flush because my weep tube on my water pump was leaking pretty good. I wanted to do an update on that. I almost forgot to. That was a little over a year ago or something. I put tons of miles on it since then. I just wanted to let you know. You guys seen that I used the AutoZone coolant? I just wanted to let you know that it's still fine. So there's got to be something wrong with that Chinese coolant that they give you, that crap, because it's been fine. And my wife's machine, and it's a 2018, but we bought it late 2017. And before it even had 30 miles on it, we had to get hers fixed. And they also use different antifreeze. And hers has not leaked a drop since either. Every time I check them both, they're always full. No complaints. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. This is going to be a quick one for you. And just keep that in mind. And if you want to know how to get that cheap Chinese coolant out of your machine, check out the video. I'll have it tagged on the end of this one, okay? So somewhere in here, you'll get it. All right, guys. Peace out and God bless.